Hola, Dicto Sable. How's everybody doing? I butchered that, but hey, check this thing out. Look at this. Is this not a beautiful thing? I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while. Okay, that was long enough. That is what you call a sight.
I am Luke Skywalker.
So there really ain't going to be any swinging this thing around, but I do want to show the chassis and everything. So this all was done, besides the FCCE, by Carl Danby over at Vaults of Valhalla. I don't know if these were posted. I'm sure these were posted. I'm just going to do a quick pass of it. So I've got TJ's Ignition Saber there, dual tactile brass switches on both ends. And we will check out the chassis on these. I have not put any battery covers on. I probably will do that before I ship these out to Jerald. So I tried to stay in theme with the theme of the etching with a bit of color to the chassis. Oddly enough, we've got so you've got some silver on this side. Well, I did some silver here and got some black on this side. I did some black here and then some blue. So it's got a little blue and black and silver on it. Of course, you got your spinning claw in there. And this one is identical.
I am a Jedi, like my father before me.
So I've got the strips here, and these are printed. These covers are printed in translucent resin. I used to just leave these open, and then I started making these covers because I really like. They give a little bit of diffusion, plus they protect the LEDs. Oh, it's got to be on. Oh.
I'm a Jedi, like my father before me.
So I've got this. I hope I put this thing, putting this on there the same way that I just took it off. May not be. Got this lined up, which admittedly was not an easy task. Oh yeah, nice. Just to check the blades. Just not enough room to do this entire hilt the way it is. So in the center here, it's tight. In order to get these lined up, it's pretty tight right there. So, I mean, it'll come loose. It just takes a little bit of muscle to do so. But this is meant to be a staff, so yeah. It turned out great. Might be one of the last commissions for at least quite a while for Jerald, so this was a good one to end on for a while. And yeah, that is it, guys. This was a quick one. Hope you like this. If you do, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.